What is the process for requesting a refund for undelivered items on Amazon?
Hello there, viewers. Today, we're going to walk you through how to request a refund on Amazon for your undelivered items. This process can be incredibly useful if you've been waiting for your item and it simply hasn't arrived. Let's get started.
Log into your Amazon account.
Firstly, you'll need to log into your Amazon account. Make sure that you're using the account that made the purchase in question.
Navigate to your orders.
Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Orders section. This is where you'll be able to see all of the purchases you've made, along with their current statuses.
Locate the undelivered item.
In the Your Orders section, locate the item that has not been delivered. It might help to refer to your confirmation email, which includes the expected delivery date.
Initiate a refund request.
After locating the undelivered item, you will need to click on the Problem with Order button. This will take you to a new page where you can detail the issues you're experiencing. Next, select Request a Refund. You'll be prompted to give more details, like why you're requesting a refund. Here, you should select Item Not Received.
Submit your request.
Finally, submit your request. Amazon will review your request, and you will receive an email notification once a decision has been made. Please note that it may take several days for Amazon to process your refund request, so patience is key. That's it, folks. That's how you request a refund on Amazon for an undelivered item. We hope this video has been helpful and that your online shopping experiences go more smoothly in the future. Remember, when it comes to online purchases, it's important to keep track of your orders and delivery dates. Happy shopping!